Blairsville, Georgia, a homely, rural town nestled in the North Georgia mountains, a town that has grown accustomed to the quiet day-to-day lifestyle. Alas, it is time to make a change. It is time to innovate our little town. According to the Georgia Department of Transportation, over 1,500 fatalities occurred on Georgia roads in 2017 alone. We spoke with Sergeant Marc Pilote with the Union County Sheriff's Office about accidents on the road. When asked about possible solutions, Sergeant Pilote agrees that bringing autonomous vehicles to Blairsville could be beneficial. Driving in a rural area like our own presents challenges to drivers, like poor roads and signage. These conditions make the crash fatality rate nearly 3 times higher than those in cities. Bringing autonomous cars to help create safer roads and allow commuters to be productive in the car without the issue of distracted driving. According to the Eno Center for Transportation, if 90% of cars on the road were autonomous, the number of accidents would fall from 6 million a year to 1.3 million. Furthermore, self-driving cars are designed to optimize efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. Autonomous cars are nowhere near perfect, however. Sergeant Pilote explains that autonomous vehicles bring new challenges to the police department. He adds that criminals could take advantage of these vehicles to transport illegal guns, drugs, victims of sex trafficking, and more. Law enforcement will have to undergo some serious changes to adjust for the future of transportation. Despite some potential issues, we still encourage the use of autonomous vehicles in Blairsville. After all, safer roads lead to a safer community.